Good work, Charlie.
Hotter bad bitches in the city. All the girls, they are so pretty.
Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to be discussing sex magic and exactly what it is and how to do it. So sex magic is basically when you use your orgasm as a form of manifestation. And the overall reason why people do this and use this as a manifestation tool is because when you orgasm in general, or even the purpose of sex is really to create. You are AKA creating an entire life. That is the purpose of having sex. That's what it's meant to do. And when you visualize a desire that you really want to happen and you use your orgasm as that manifestation tool, every single energy within your body is being exerted to that desire. So how I like to do this is I won't just go and masturbate right off the bat. I'll actually raise the energy up over and over within my body. I will, you know, do something that turns me on. I will feel into the whole entire feeling of getting into the sexual state. I have a whole entire sex playlist that I'll listen to. I'll light some candles. I'll, you know, set the mood, and I will start off with that. And I will either watch, you can watch something. I don't really recommend that. If you can turn yourself on, I would do that. If you have a toy that you can use for masturbation, I would highly recommend that. And I just feel into my sexual energy, and I will just bring it up and raise that from top to bottom, and I will just feel into that state of mind. Sometimes I will do affirmations, and you want to do this for at least 20 minutes, getting into that state of mind, and then that's when I'll actually, you know, paint the picture of what I want, the visualization of my actual desire. Do I want to manifest a certain partner? Do I want a specific person? And I will start masturbating to that scene over and over and over and over again until I actually get to my orgasm point. And a lot of people, they don't actually do that the way that I'm explaining. They'll either maybe watch porn, and then right when they orgasm, they'll, you know, paint the picture of the visualization of their desire and just orgasm to that. Personally, for me, I find that it's not as fun and it's not as fulfilling for me to just do that. I like to really give myself attention, embody my visualization, and then orgasm to that. And you can do this multiple times. Whenever I do this, especially when it comes to a specific person, I find that they feel that energy so intensely. They pick up on it themselves, and my manifestations just are a lot more magnetized to me, and they come a lot more faster. It's really crazy how powerful sexual energy is, or even just manifesting certain success or things that I want. Like, the orgasm really is incredible to use, and it helps you a lot embodying sexual energy. When you embody sexual energy, you actually become a more magnetizing person, because yourself in general is not fragmented all over the place. I think that's why a lot of people have issues within achieving their goals and success, is because a lot of the times people are so fragmented and they're not embodying every single aspect of themselves wholeheartedly. Like, all the things that you don't like about yourself, you need to really embody that and accept it, so your desires in general are not in resistance with you. That's majority of why a lot of the times you're not getting what you manifest, is because there's lots of resistance built up within you. And resistance is basically you denying yourself certain things, whether that be certain desires or attributes about you that you do not internally like about yourself. So there's a lot of releasing and letting go. I would actually say that sex in general, masturbation, when you do it with the right intention, it can be extremely healing when it comes to trauma. Every single time I use sex magic or I masturbate, I always come out super emotional, whether that be crying or just having this overall loving feeling within myself. And like, I come out feeling like, wow, I am so incredible. Like, look at who I am. And like I said, if you do it in the right way, it can actually be super healing when it comes to traumas that you experience within your life. An amazing self-love practice that you can do. Our bodies in general literally love when we give it attention, you guys. It literally loves when we embrace all of these aspects about ourselves. It is so therapeutic.